Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your career coaching fit with ZipRecruiter, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the ZipRecruiter website. Look for the Find a Career Coach section on the homepage. Click on the link to explore career coaching options. Review the available coaches to understand their specialties. Select a coach that aligns with your career goals and industry. Click on the coach's profile to view their qualifications and experience. Take note of their coaching style and client feedback. Next, schedule an initial consultation session. During this session, discuss your career aspirations and challenges. Evaluate how well the coach listens to your needs. Ask about their approach to career coaching. Inquire about their success stories and client testimonials. After the consultation, reflect on your experience with the coach. Consider whether their communication style resonates with you. Assess if they provide actionable insights tailored to your situation. Decide if the coaching relationship feels comfortable and supportive. If you feel positive about the interaction, you can move forward with their services. Follow up with a commitment to begin your coaching journey. Make sure to set measurable goals for your sessions. Regularly evaluate your progress and the effectiveness of the coaching. Continue to communicate openly with your coach throughout the process. Adjust your approach if necessary based on your career development. This will ensure an optimal coaching experience as you work towards your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.